Welcome back, Sawmill Club members. Here's what you can expect when we see you back at the club. As always, we're committed to the health and safety of our members and staff. Join me for a quick tour of all of our new updates.
As you can see, we have the super safe spacing, the same great music, and the best of all, the company of your friends to work out with. We cannot wait to share this space with you again. I mean, it's hard to deny the positive energy we share when we are together. It keeps us healthy and happy all day long. Oh, we miss you. So in bar, you're gonna have your own workout station, but more importantly, you're gonna have your instructor in the room leading you through a terrific workout. In yoga, you'll bring your own mat, your own blocks, and your strap. You will have the eyes of a compassionate teacher guiding you along in your practice.
You know, we're all making decisions about how we go forward with our health and fitness. Sawmill is ready for you to make your decision. Hey, you know, we're really ready for you to come back to Sawmill Club, and we can't wait you can participate and exercise again. We've given a lot of deep thought to how we do this safely, and we are ready to welcome you to the club. See you soon.